Welcome back, everybody. I was out here plowing the driveway with the Vermeer and the snow box, and I got about halfway done and decided, hey, why don't we do a video on this? So I've got half the sidewalk done. This is one of those days where the snow's been down. It's actually been packed. We've been driving on it for days now, and it started to warm up a little bit. So I thought, well, my dad's telling me the same thing. He's over there plowing his driveway and seeing if he can get some of that to melt. I'll do the same because this upcoming week is going to be pretty cold. So I would say it's above freezing today. I'd say 35 degrees, somewhere in there. We're supposed to get another 3 inches of snow today. I'm going to show you how the Vermeer just kind of pushes and works on top of the sidewalks. Depending on the snow, it can do a great job, and other times it's just going to ride on the top. I'll show you what I've got here. The way this Vermeer is set up, or the way the snow box is set up, is it's got two big skis on each side, if you can see those. And then on the back, it's got a rubber mat that's about at ground level, and it looks a lot like this up here. It's just integrated vertically. And then there's a steel plate that holds that rubber on. So this kind of will come up, the skis will hit that snow and ride up on top of it, but it does take everything but about an inch or two off the top. So if you want to clear the driveway like you see what I'm standing on, I actually plowed it, and then I just scraped it with my shovel and got it off there because it's melted enough to take care of it. So yeah, I guess we'll demonstrate what the Vermeer can do. So I push this off. You can still see that there's a skim coat of snow on top of that. What I'd like to try, and what I did on the sidewalk here, was I used this rubber plate and I just tilted the bucket down. I'll see if I can pull this off. We'll just experiment with it. If it doesn't work, I'll just shovel it. But this actually cleared pretty good. It looks like a lot of snow, but there's really not much on there. And now it's a matter of, like, can we get it to separate from that sidewalk? All right. That seemed to do a pretty good job. I did notice when you're pushing with your bucket, I think it's harder on that cylinder, so I don't really like doing that. And then I could feel where I was pushing too hard, and I was leaving a little bit of a rubber scuff there on the ground. But boy, it beats the back labor, so that worked out pretty good. Even though when I ran that rubber, I know that it was getting torn up by the gravel driveway down there, and that's why it's worn down to nothing, and it kind of only just skims the surface. But I think it did a good job. I got over here, on one side is landscaping stones, and on the other side is actually the new sprinkler heads, and I was a little nervous and didn't know where they were, so that got a little awkward for me with the curve and just making sure I don't hit anything, but really that cleaned up nicely too. Thanks for watching today. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel and hit those notifications so that you can see more of our content when it comes up. Thank you.